Sweet. So, this is my mom's RoboVac, and the battery is a piece of shit.
Please charge Roomba.
It's been charging for days. So we're going to try to replace the battery. First, we're going to take off this little guy here. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. These screws are connected in such a way that they are not going to drop out. They stay as a part of this lovely little plastic chassis, which is awesome because then you don't lose them. Unless this one's accidentally... Oh, he came all the way out. He's not supposed to. There we go. Anyways, so I think that's part of the design, is that they stay in. Hey, there we go. Here's the battery. Simple lift out. Lovely little connection here. If there was any corrosion here, I might get some with some rubbing alcohol on some Q-tips, maybe to clean that off. All right, sweet. Hey, look what we got here. A knockoff battery for super cheap. Oh, hey, and we got a bunch of these horrifying looking replacements that look like they're from the Simpsons video game for Sega Genesis. Okay, now what are we looking at here? We got 14.4 volts, 300 milliamp hours. Sweet. Okay, so look at this. We got 150% battery hour, or battery milliamp hours here. And, you know, see if that works out for us using a knockoff battery, huh? Drop that guy in. Hey, that's a nice noise. All right, let's get everybody back together. Now, if you're ever like me and you've lost your drill and you're using an impact driver, which you can if you're very, very careful, just do it nice and slowly and never impact drive these. Never finish them with the impact driver. Just get them in and then finish them by hand. Sweet. Okay, this guy is on. Oh, interesting. Look, there's like a bowl impression thing here. So it doesn't matter that these guys are bent out of shape because they're going to be moved up anyways. How interesting is that? Okay, let's try out one of the new ones then, if that's the case. Why not try out one of the new ones, huh? Whoa. Settle down. Settle down, buddy. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. I'll try them out on the floor next. Thanks for watching.